Welcome back to LAX Airport for another People Mover or Skylink update. So I guess a little bit of good news. The project is 97.7% complete, but they did push the completion date forward again. It was projected to be finished in early 2026, and it's now projected to be finished around December 8th of 2025. So I guess I'll take that as a win, finishing out at 2025 rather than extending it into early 2026. And here I highlighted some critical things that need to happen in order for this PSA, the passenger service availability, to be certain by December of 2025. It's a lot of information, but it's pretty interesting. But anyway, let's get out to LAX and check out what's going on here.
I was here about a month ago, and I saw some workers inside the theme building removing, I think, some furniture. I don't know what they're doing in there, what they're preparing, but hopefully the next year or so, maybe we'll see the restaurant open up again. I was reading some of the logs that were released. Apparently somebody was walking along this guideway recently between East and Central terminal stations. They're still doing work here on the pedestrian walkway in between terminals 1 and 7. Over here is the Central Station next to air traffic control tower. I think I've only seen this on maybe one of the parking lots, but they have these metal structures, these white structures. They had been putting them up months ago. It looks like they're finished now. I'd rather see these parking structures embrace this mid-century modern style opposed to those metal beams, but what do you guys think? And this pedestrian walkway by Terminal 2, it kind of looks the same. Roadway, next pedestrian walkway, over by West Station. Still missing some panels. West Station's looking pretty magnificent. Love all this glass. Probably be some artwork there eventually, and there'll be probably a banner for the 2028 Olympics. And the pedestrian walkway between Tom Bradley and the West Station is getting some work today. Got a different angle here, kind of up above the walkway leading into Tom Bradley. See some green sheathing. This is a key component. We got to get this thing finished here so people can actually get into and out of Tom Bradley and the West Station, and then hop on the people mover system. Secured walkway in between Delta and Tom Bradley. Looks like it's about finished. They do have some kind of protection over here in this walkway here. I don't know what exactly they are doing over here, but usually this is an area for pickups and drop-off for some of the hotels. Lots of cars out here today in the Horseshoe, which eventually, I don't know if they're gonna force them to not be in here and to go drop off at one of the ITF stations or perhaps somewhere else. But yeah, if they could get at least half of these vehicles out of here and then force them eventually to do their drop-offs and pickups at some of the stations where the people mover will have as travelers transporting them or whatever, that would make a huge difference here. Actually, the traffic doesn't look terrible right now. I mean, we're in September, but a couple more months into Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then next spring, it gets really bad here once again. Gridlock, basically. Central Station over there, and then up this guideway to the huge West Station, which looks pretty much finished. And so this is considered Station A, and then you've got B in the central, C, the East Station, D, E, F, and so on. So I think Station F is ITF East. I can't do the configuration in my head right now, but you get the idea. The new American Airlines building is looking solid. Only thing that stands out here is on the sidewall. They still have not addressed what's going on there, but I guess when they move TSA out of this building, maybe we're going to see the next phase of demolition and construction. Don't know for sure, but we'll see. Up here on P4 parking, it's probably 3/4 empty on the top deck, and we'll make our way over here to the West Station on the south side, where you can see some windows. Looks pretty nice. And we see this backside of pedestrian walkway to Tom Bradley. Here's a cat at LAX. Hey kitty cat, what are you doing? You live here? Oh my goodness. What are you doing, buddy? Don't stay in that sun too long. It's gonna be hot today.
over here by the future Terminal 0. We'll be in this future Uber area. Uber's still looking a little busy for September. Figure people start slowing down with their summer travels, but yeah, it's still going on.